Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome to my beauty space. My name is Jenny. Today I'm going to be doing a video a little bit different, not makeup related. As you guys saw in the title, this is 10 facts about me. I've never done this before, so if you want to get to know me a little bit better at a whole nother level, then just keep on watching. So fact number 1, if there's something in the world that I cannot stand and I really dislike very much, because number 1, they taste nasty and they're weird looking, are avocados. Please don't come for me. I just don't like them. They're so gross. Fact number 2, I am a medical assistant. I work for a nephrologist up in Clearwater, Florida. Fact number 3, I'm a diabetic type 1, which really sucks because this will probably lead me to fact number 4. I love sweets, and cheesecake is like my favorite thing in the world, and I can't eat it as much as I would want to because of my diabetes. But anyway, moving on to fact number 5. I am married, and this upcoming December, I'm gonna be married for 5 years. Fact number 6, I do something really weird every probably at least 2 times in an hour. I crack my knuckles. Fact number 7, if there's something that I really enjoy, is water parks and theme parks. So the next fact, number 8, that one is a little bit strange, guys, because I cannot breathe through my mouth. Like, if I was in a situation where my nose was covered, but I knew that I can breathe through my mouth, I wouldn't be able to do it because I don't know how. It's weird. I get into like a weird mode. Fact number 9, I don't want to blow my own horn, but I do make the best ceviche ever. Just saying. So fact number 10, the last one, because I don't want to make this video super long, but I always give money to homeless people. Like, I don't think about it, I just do it. So yeah. So this is it, my loves. These are 10 facts about me. I really hope that you enjoyed this little video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And most importantly, don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful. I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.